Welcome everyone. Thanks for joining. Regions around the world have been sending out various numbers of rain alerts. But this is not just any type of rain that we're dealing with. This is acid rain. We're being joined now live by one of our leading reporters who has more to say on the subject. We go to him now. Josh? Thank you. When it comes to acid rain, many of us have heard of it at one point or another, but very few of us truly understand exactly what it is. The primary causes of it are sulfur dioxides and nitrogen oxides, gases that once in the atmosphere react with oxygen, water, and other chemicals. This reaction then becomes a mild solution of nitric and sulfuric acids, which comes back down to Earth, usually in the form of precipitation, thus the term acid rain. Putting it into perspective, the normal rain we deal with tends to be at a pH of about 5.5, which is tolerable to us. For it to be considered acid rain, the pH must drop down to a range of about 4.2 to 4.4. The burning of fossil fuels by electric power generation industries release sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, while the nitrogen oxides are contributed by our very good buddies behind me. Back to you. Well, I'm sure most of you are now wondering, if the normal rain that we deal with is already slightly acidic, what's a little extra acidity going to do? Well, for this and more, we go now to Choi standing by.
Acid rain penetrates deeply into the fabric of an ecosystem, changing the chemistry of the soil and streams. Streams become more acidic, which causes them to absorb the aluminum that makes its way from soil. Plants absorb the acid rain. Their leaves or needles are damaged, leaving them unable to withstand cold temperatures, insect invasions, and disease. This greatly impacts the food chain because the consumers have an increasing amount of sulfuric and nitric acid in their system. Exposure to the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in acid rain causes illness and even death from heart and lung disorders. Something we can all see is how acidic particles contribute to the corrosion of metals and damages of paint and stone. These damage many cars, buildings, statues, and sculptures, many of which are part of our cultural heritage. Back to you.
Wow. Well, acid rain has a definite impact on just about everything around us. Even leaves me wondering whether there is any hope to prevent this. Well, here with me in the studio to talk about what we can do to stop acid rain is Katie.
Thank you. With the help of our political leaders, we as a society can reduce our emissions in 3 ways. 1. Clean out smokestacks and exhaust pipes. 2. Use alternative energy resources. And 3. Restore damaged environments. Individually, we can do our part by conserving energy, since energy production is the largest contributor to acid rain. For example, use public transportation, carpool, walk or bike to your destination. Use energy-efficient appliances, and turn off lights, computers, and other appliances when they are not in use. By reducing our contribution to the problem, we become part of the solution. Now back to you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. One of the best ways to prevent acid rain is being informed. From everyone here at the studio, we encourage you, do your part. Share what you have learned with others. Together, we can preserve the integrity of our natural environment and reduce damage to man-made structures. This was EPS 80 Breaking News. Thanks for watching.
Of this domino effect of consequences by entering our environment.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. One of the best ways.
2. Use energy. Oh, I didn't count. 4. Don't turn it off!